Centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pumps are used to transport fluids by the conversion of rotational kinetic energy to the hydrodynamic energy of the fluid flow. The rotational energy typically comes from an engine or electric motor. They are a subclass of dynamic axisymmetric work-absorbing turbomachinery. Working principle of pump. A pump increases a fluid's pressure to drive flow by converting rotational energy into fluid energy. Centrifugal pumps use a rotating impeller to force fluid outwards, increasing its velocity, which is then converted to pressure. Reciprocating pumps use a piston or plunger to create alternating high and low pressure zones, drawing fluid in and pushing it out. The common principle is creating a pressure differential that causes the fluid to move from a low pressure inlet to a high pressure outlet.